All right, so for 8.4, a couple examples here. We're trying to find the x. So again, I would label your opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So this is opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. So we have so, to. So because I'm given opposite and hypotenuse, I know I'm going to use sine. So sine of my reference angle, which is 35, equals opposite over hypotenuse. Now keep in mind, it's sine of an angle, always sine of an angle. Some of us are going to try to do sine of a side, but it's always sine of your degree, so sine of your angle. So I'm going to put that over 1, cross multiply, and do 20 times the sine of 35. So x is going to equal 11.471528. It does say round to the nearest tenth, so I could just stop. So it's 11.5. For number 5, same thing. Want to label first. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent. This is opposite. So we're given adjacent and hypotenuse, so we're going to use cosine. So cosine of your angle equals adjacent over hypotenuse, cross multiply, or we talked about it before, you could multiply by 11 on both sides. Either way is fine, but you're going to get 11 times the cosine of 41. So 11 times cosine of 41 is 8.3. If you're not getting 8.3, you're getting something very different than that. You need to check your mode. Make sure your mode is in degrees. Double check that you are multiplying and dividing. But ask people in class, hey, I got this, what did you get? What did I do wrong? So that way you can figure it out. So number 10, you're going to have to draw a picture for. So it says an escalator in the subway system of St. Petersburg, Russia. Let's just change that to Sarasota, Florida. Sarasota, Florida. This might be where I am right now. Has a vertical rise of 195 feet and 9.5 inches. So right there I see 2 units, so that should red flag to me. And it raises at an angle of 10.4 degrees. How long is the escalator? Round your answer to the nearest foot. So round to the nearest foot, I know it says that. I'm going to do inches. You can do 195. You could do this. So this is feet. This is your decimal after that to figure out, because this is your inches. So do everything in feet. Be 9.5 divided by 12, because that's how many inches in a foot. So you could do 195.7916 repeating as your units. I'm going to change it into inches, just because I don't want to have a run-on decimal. So I'm going to do 195 times 12 to get my inches. And then I'm going to add in that 9.5. So I have 2,349.5 inches. So that's how tall vertical rise. So vertical, think up and down. So we have this vertical rise of 2,349.5 inches, or like I said, 195 feet and a little bit there. So either way, again, I'm going to use inches. It does say that it rises at an angle of 10.4 degrees. So an escalator, you're trying to get from the bottom to the top. The angle, 10.4 degrees. It rises 10.4 degrees. How long is the escalator? So it's asking how long is this steps that you're going on to traveling. So this is you going up here. So here's my 90-degree angle. So it looks like I opposite and hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, sine, cosine, tangent. I'm going to use sine for that. So I have sine of my angle, 10.4, equals opposite, 2,349.5 over x. So I'm going to cross multiply. I'm doing that. I'm going to get x times, let me erase this in here. And then I want to solve for x. So keep in mind when you divide by sine, you're dividing by the angle as well. It's not just sine or just 10.4. So I'm going to put this in my calculator. 2,349.5 divided by sine of 10.4. So it's telling me 13,015.24 inches, but it does say around to the nearest foot. So I'm going to convert this into feet. I'm going to divide by 12. So that's going to be 1,084.6. Round to the nearest foot is 1,085 feet. So if you want to keep it in feet, that is fine. Just don't forget about this little portion at the end. For me, I'm just going to change it to inches and then convert it back. So for 11 and 12, don't forget we're trying to find the degree. And so when we use degree, we're going to be using those inverse functions. So for number 11, I have opposite and hypotenuse. So this is going to be sine of x. So So sine of x equals opposite over hypotenuse. So sine, inverse sine button, 5 divided by 14 will give me my degree. Inverse sine, not sine, 5 divided by 14. So 20.924. It does say round to the nearest degree, so x is going to equal 21 degrees. So if you're thinking, how did you know to use the inverse sign? It's because I'm trying to find a degree. I always use the inverse. I know I'm going to use sine because I had opposite and hypotenuse. For this one, my opposite is there, hypotenuse is here, adjacent is there. So I have A and H, so that means I'm going to use cosine. So cosine of x equals 5 over 8. So we're going to do the inverse cosine because I'm trying to figure out my degree. So this is 51.317. So x is going to equal 51 degrees. I don't know what's going on with my pen. X equals 51 degrees. Now, on a quiz or test, I will ask you to write the proportion. This is what I'm looking for that, and then your answer. So too many times I get this as my proportion, and that's not. I need this as my proportion, and then my answer. Hello. Okay. Welcome to technology. Oh, okay. Awesome. All right. So x is going to equal 51 degrees.